Hello students, I am Ashwini Shankar, your faculty in Profession IAS, and today I want to discuss with you a very important development which has taken place in India. What is that important development that I am going to discuss with you? India has produced on its own, without the help of any external country, the DNA based vaccine for the treatment of dengue fever. India has produced a DNA based vaccine for the treatment of dengue fever, right? And you see, it is a kind of very big achievement, a kind of self-reliance that India has achieved. India has achieved self-reliance in the production of DNA based vaccine. DNA based vaccine. Yes, and then what is the name of this vaccine? The name of this vaccine is CYD-TDV, and we call it, generally we call it dengue vaxia. The general name of this vaccine is dengue vaxia. What is the mechanism working of this DNA based vaccine is this: it is directly injects into the body. It directly injects into the body. From there it goes to the cells and it directs the cells to produce more antigens, right? Let me repeat it for you again. India has produced DNA based vaccines on its own. This is very important point, and it has created a self-reliance in the production of DNA based vaccines in India for the treatment of dengue fever, and the name of the vaccine is CYD-TDV. It is generally known as dengue vaxia. How it functions: this DNA based vaccine is directly injected into the body. From the body it goes to the cells level and it directs the cells in the body to produce more antigen. I hope this is clear to you and you have developed a decent understanding about DNA based vaccine produced for the treatment of dengue fever. See, what is a dengue fever? Dengue fever is basically a fever happened due to the bite of mosquitoes, and it is basically a tropical place disease. The countries it is basically known as a tropical disease, right? It is basically a tropical disease happened due to the bite of mosquitoes, and mosquitoes are also responsible for the diseases such as chikungunya and Zika infection. Therefore, this particular vaccine will help us in the treatment of chikungunya and Zika infection also. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will keep updating more information for your benefit for your forthcoming examinations. Thank you very much.